In this video, we'll show you how to create a connection to a data source using INFACore running on JupyterLab. After you configure your runtime environment, it's time to connect to a data source. Here we have buttons for various data sources. First, select the data source you want to connect to. For this example, we'll connect to Snowflake. Click here to start creating the connection. Enter your connection details and save the connection. Now we can select the Snowflake connection and use the action buttons to perform quick operations. Let's provide the variable name for the connection to represent in the code. You can call this variable the next time you want to use this connection. Notice that INFACore added a line of code with the variable name we just configured. If you don't want to use the action buttons, you can use the Python SDK code to pre-populate functions in the Python environment. Just click where you want to add the function, enter a period, and then press the Tab key. A tooltip appears with suggestions you can choose from. We can also use the action buttons to edit a configured connection and test the connection. Great! The connection is successful. Click Run to execute the command. And that's it! Be sure to check out our other videos about how to perform tasks in INFACore. For more information, see the JupyterLab extension for INFACore guide on the Informatica documentation portal. Visit our communities and support hubs, or check out our website.